Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back in my girls' bathroom. We'll be cleaning and organizing their drawers. I already cleaned and organized their linen closet, so I'll put a link above and I'll also put a link below in the description box so you can check that video out after this one. So if you're interested to see how I clean and organize with some tips, keep watching. The first thing I like to do is start with a clean space. So we clean. For me, when I start with a clean space, I'm more eager to finish the project that I started. So now that we have a clean space, it's time to see what the damage is. Ugh. Tip number 1, always have 2 bags, one for trash and one for items that need to be relocated. Each of my girls have 2 drawers, so I'll start with my oldest since she was the most disorganized. And I start by just pulling everything out of the drawers. Much better. Next, wipe the drawers down and all of the items that will be going back into the drawers. Also, check expiration dates. Products don't last forever. Now on to the next side. Her side isn't so bad. I think it just needs to be reorganized. So again, everything out and give it a good clean. Tip number 2, for things to look clean and organized, stick with one color. We use white. Tip number 3, not everything needs to be in a container. Not all containers need to be lined up next to each other. Look at your space, play around with the space, see what feels and looks right. Play around with the containers. This needs to be about function as it is about organization and looking good. It could look really good, but not function. So just take the time and live in your space. And for my last and final tip, don't run out and buy containers. Shop your house first. I am sure you can find something to use. So I have 2 examples about shopping your house. Crystal light container, plastic container. Take the wrapping off. Now you have a white container that you can put cotton balls, Q-tips, rubber bands, and even hold your makeup brushes. And I even found this. This is a makeup organizer thingamajig. So my daughter was using this in her room and she literally had one thing in it. So I took it and I used it in her bathroom drawer and I put toothpaste, toothbrushes, and some moisturizer. So I just wanted to give you a bird's eye view of the drawers completed. Again, these containers we already had. I actually did buy this. I think it's just for silverware, but it works for all their face masks. And then again, face scrubs and some other masks. Her moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, Q-tips, that's about it for this drawer. So it's definitely much cleaner than it previously was. And again, the bottom is pretty clean. So that's it for her. Hers was pretty organized, it wasn't as bad. She has scrubs, bath bombs, her mirror, even little ones. How cute. Again, her Q-tips. She had this old pencil case that we've had, and I thought it was perfect for, you know, these little face pads. I cannot think what they're called right off the top of my head, but they don't get all over and they stay in one spot and it's very organized. Her bottom is pretty clean also. Nail polish that she keeps. And this was empty in the bottom drawer, so I just wound up putting all of her nail stuff. Some makeup stuff in here. And then these are just headbands. So again, do not go out and buy containers. I guarantee you have something in your house that you can use, at least to start with. That's all the tips I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and inspiring to at least clean out one drawer. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.